Hello astronomers! I'm here at the PL Space Center inside the Polo Tecnologico Alto Adriatico in Pordenone, Italy, where just a few days ago we celebrated an amazing event, the NIST Summit 2025, and I'd like to share with you what happened during this incredible weekend. The NIST Summit began on October 24th with a specialist course on radio astronomy accredited by the Italian Ministry of Education. It was a great learning experience where participants discovered how radio telescopes can be used to study the invisible universe, with the help of our Spider radio telescope and Intrepid ground station, both installed right here at the PL Space Center. The same evening, we hosted a public lecture at the Civic Library of Pordenone titled Are We Alone in the Universe? The Project That Seeks an Answer, presented by engineer Andrea Mellis from INAF, the Italian National Institute for Astrophysics, University of Cagliari. It was an inspiring talk about the scientific search for life beyond Earth, and we were truly fascinated by how Andrea explained in such an understandable way the methodologies used in SETI research. Then, on October 25th and 26th, the 20th National Congress of Amateur Radio Astronomy, ICARA 2025, took place right here at the Polo Tecnologico Alto Adriatico. Amateur radio astronomers from all over Italy gathered to share their research, projects and observations, showing once again how science can achieve great results even through the passion and dedication of amateurs, all united by the same goal, exploring the universe. And one of the most exciting moments of the entire event was the official opening ceremony of the PL Space Center on Saturday. During the inauguration, we had the honor of welcoming representatives from national, regional and local institutions, as well as from the industrial and research communities, all sharing our vision of innovation. This marks a new chapter for Prima Luce Lab. The PL Space Center is a place where we connect astronomy and space technologies, from radio telescopes to optical observatory stations, serving as a research and development facility for testing and improving our software and hardware solutions. But once a year, it also opens its doors to the public for a special event designed to inspire the community through the wonder of space and scientific discovery. That's why, after the great success of this edition, we are already working on the next one, the NIST Summit 2026, which will be an entire weekend of research and inspiration. So please follow us on our social media channels and subscribe to our newsletter to stay updated on future events and opportunities to visit us here at the PL Space Center. Thanks to everyone who joined us at the NIST Summit 2025. teachers, students, researchers, radio astronomers, and all the visitors who shared this experience with us. And as always, for more content that will help you to explore the universe like a pro, subscribe to our channel and clear skies!